My name's McKenna.
You need to start transitioning some of this crap downstairs.
I know.
That's how I walk with crutch.
Say thanks, Santa.
It's pretty easy for me to
Tell
walk
Ashley about
in 'em.
Santa. What we left him.
We left him cookies, and Dylan and Drew were surprised in the morning that they were gone.
Tell her what Daddy got Mommy.
Daddy got Mommy boots
And
and
a coat.
a coat.
What Mommy get Daddy?
Mommy got him
A
Hawkeye,
jersey.
Hawkeye jersey and
And what else? A trip to the Rose Bowl.
a trip to the Rose Bowl, but Daddy didn't like it, so that we're not going.
Daddy and I are going.
I'm not going.
Mm-mm.